The headlines: NRC likely to be a key focus area of Modi meeting with Bangladesh PM. Tripura's West Jalefa likely to get special economic zone. And Imphal-Dimapur road blockade over Makhan arson attack postponed. Good afternoon, you're watching the news at 1. I'm Mandira and now the news in detail. Visiting Bangladesh Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina and her Indian counterpart Narendra Modi will today inaugurate 3 projects, including one for the cross-border supply of LPG to the northeast, and give a boost to trade and connectivity, people familiar with developments said. Both countries are keen to publicly play down the issue of the implementation of the National Register of Citizens (NRC) in Assam. Though officials from both sides privately acknowledged the matter is expected to figure when Hasina holds talk with Modi today. During a brief interaction with journalists at a reception hosted by the Bangladesh High Commission on Thursday night, Hasina said Bangladesh doesn't foresee any problems with India over the NRC following an assurance from Modi. Some 1.9 million people found themselves left out of the final version of the NRC in Assam. The central government has approved a proposal in principle to set up a special economic zone at West Jalefa in Sabroom subdivision, according to a report. In June, the state government sent a proposal to the Ministry of Industries and Commerce for setting up an agro-based SEZ at Jalefa. Estimated cost of the first ever SEZ would be around Rs 147 crore, which will generate 12,000 jobs. Under the plan, rubber-based industrial units, rubber thread, apparel making, bamboo and food process units are proposed to be set up. If the SEZ is established, Sabroom State's southernmost border subdivision will get a big boost in industries and business. The rail connectivity has already been extended to Sabroom after a long struggle. Besides, an integrated checkpost (ICP) would come up at Sabroom. If all the projects are commissioned, Sabroom would transform into a business hub not only for the state but also for the entire northeast region. The Makhan People's Organization has deferred the proposed indefinite blockade on Imphal-Dimapur highway as Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren Singh has assured to nab all culprits involved in the recent arson attack. Some 18 houses were set on fire by unknown miscreants at the village under Senapati district bordering Nagaland over a land dispute. MPO wants to put pressure on the state government through a highway blockade to fulfill their demand. In a release, the organization said it has postponed the blockade after assurance from the Chief Minister to meet their demand. Manipur Alliance for Child Rights and EU organized the 10th state-level Children's Cultural Meet 2019 at the Tribal Research Institute, Chingmairong, Imphal. As a part of the event, a colorful cultural program was held where children from various districts of the state took part. A voluntary blood donation camp was conducted today at the Department of Transfusion Medicine, Regional Institute of Medical Sciences, RIMS, Lamphilpath. It was held to commemorate birthday of Laimayum Sachin Sharma. The event was jointly organized by Lifesavers Manipur, Worker Integrated Network Society, Win Foundation under the sponsorship of Gurumayum Kiran Devi and Chumthang Solutions Wangkhe. Dr. Barindra Singh, Head of Department Blood, RIMS, Chaudhary Mayum Naba, Chathikpam Shanti Salam, Executive Editor of TOMTV and international artist Dr. Yumnam Surendra Singh attended the blood donation camp as the main guest. 30 people donated blood at the camp.
Blood donation is an emergency service. It is done when asked or when it is required. Adubu, I urge each and every eligible individual to come forward and donate blood.
Tasengna haitaragadi blood bank na akhoi da pangbirakriba mateng adagi narak yelakpa matamda I kapa habasi mi amadai mi amdai lawdoinina yamna tangba khopa yam khudong thiba myam am tholakpadawdo akhoina angangsing chasidasu akhoina tambi horagadi man hayeng chawraba matungda akhoi mama smai tawbanina smai tawdana aisu hayeng chawraga siguma mim oige haibagi afaba wakhalonda changaknabagdamakta sigi program je sinjabane.
Now we have a short commercial break, and coming up next, group exhibition of paintings titled Ba Bapu 150, artist celebrating 150 years of Kasturba. Mahatma Gandhi held in Delhi. Stay tuned.
Nupi ekhoi gidi khongthang khuding seksiningai gi seksiningai ngaktani mafam matam khudimakta aina cheksinduna talakli adubu mahausayi khongchatnina khudong thiningai atumak oi Manipur da ahan boina iramdam masida sajaba ningol khudo adubu ngasidi ekhoi chingnaningai oidre ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛ ꯕ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯠ ꯏꯟꯇꯔꯄ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯁꯦꯁꯀꯤ ꯅꯤꯡꯉꯣꯜ ꯈꯨꯗꯣꯜ ꯂꯥꯛꯀꯗꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯅꯤꯡꯉꯣꯜ ꯆꯥꯛꯀꯧꯕꯗ ꯁꯦꯠ ꯏꯟꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛ ꯀ꯭ꯋꯥꯂꯤꯇꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯕ ꯑꯍꯣꯡꯕ ꯃꯃꯜꯗ ꯄꯤꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛ ꯁꯦꯝ ꯁꯥꯗꯨꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯕ ꯅꯥꯒꯥꯃꯄꯥꯜ ꯏꯃꯥ ꯀꯩꯊꯦꯜ ꯑꯣꯄꯣꯖꯤꯠꯀꯤ ꯐꯥꯔꯁꯠ ꯐ꯭ꯂꯣꯔꯗ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯁꯥꯋꯁ ꯕꯨꯇꯤꯛ ꯁꯣꯔꯨꯝ ꯏꯅꯥꯠꯀꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯑꯄꯥꯝꯕ ꯃꯈꯜꯒꯤ ꯐꯤꯔꯣꯜ ꯁꯨꯅ ꯐꯪꯒꯗꯕ ꯁꯣꯔꯨꯝ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯈ꯭ꯔꯤꯁꯇꯤꯌꯟꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯋꯦꯗꯤꯡꯗ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯕ ꯋꯦꯗꯤꯡ ꯒꯥꯎꯟꯁꯨ ꯃꯐꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯐꯪꯕꯤꯒꯅꯤ
ꯅꯨꯄꯤ ꯈꯛꯇꯒꯤ ꯅꯠꯇꯅ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯖꯦꯟꯁꯀꯤ ꯄꯦꯟ ꯁꯔꯠ ꯍꯥꯐ ꯄꯦꯟ ꯀꯣꯠ ꯋꯦꯁ ꯀꯣꯠ कुर्ता पायजामा फैजोम खुरखुर फैजोम अमदी रेडीमेड फैजोम मकल सुना फंगाव मफम याम नुआइब पाव मना मफम मसिदा अदोम अदोमगी अपाम डिजाइन खुदिंगमक्की ऑर्डर सुलौजरी अमतंग लेंगसिन बिरो ख्वाई ब्रह्मपुर नागामपाल इमा कैथेलगी ऑपोजिट की फास्ट फ्लोर द लेरिबा सर्विस बुटीक.
Welcome back. On the occasion of the 150th Ba Bapu birth anniversary celebration, a group exhibition of paintings titled Ba Bapu 150, artists celebrating 150 years of Kasturba and Mahatma Gandhi was held in Delhi. The exhibition presented the life and ideals of Gandhi and his companionship with Kasturba through 18 paintings in acrylic on canvas medium by Delhi-based artists. Thokchom Thauba, aged 19 years, from Bashikong, Imphal, was among the 18 artists.
We 150 anniversary we Ba Bapu haba exhibition asidani aduga aina puthokjariba art asigi nungyoba thimna we Mahatma Gandhi ji na leba ki damukta toromba modi mayamgi kari message pirami haibu usabani aduga hidaina Kasturba Gandhi ji Mahatma Gandhi ji ki loina biam sari biman di leba ama semda society ma unoma leba ama sokona bokana
The founder of the institute, Rupert Chand, told TOMTV that in their paintings, the artists depict through colors on canvas about the important events in the life of Bapu and Ba, as Gandhi and his wife.
The part of the RCI Rupert Institute Fine Art, so we are presenting here 18 works, you can see here.
So these are the painting done by the student.
Some are the students and some are our eminent artists along with. So total 18 artists.
The exhibition was organized by Rupert Chand Institute of Fine Arts, Asok Vihar, Delhi, and it was inaugurated by Hena Chakraborty, eminent artist and former curator Gandhi Smriti and Darshan Samiti, Ministry of Culture, Government of India. The exhibition will remain open at Rupert Chand Institute of Fine Art 23, Deep Central Market, Ashok Vihar, Phase 1, Delhi 110052 from October 1st to 30. The 16th Foundation Day celebration of S. Chauba Memorial English School was held today at the school premises at Singjamai Kongbu Road, Imphal. Principal of the school, S.H. Surjit, said that teachers play an immense role in shaping the future of children and leading them in the right path.
Haiba angangbu yokhatpa nataba haitaba angangsibu yokhatuna anouba yumbire nama semdana as students are the future generation ama oibana pillar amagi damakta ahang pandam asi sangjanjarapani khunai asida lariba angangsingsibu anouba yumbire anouba makhong adu ohelaktuna akhoi punsisida khunai sida achouba khongthang ama ngamakani habegi pandam asida ACM English School mayam gi damakta hangdoksari amasung mayamna masibu welcome to you haina haizar
aduna arapa mafam sing seisa akhoi school bhen tong chappa ngamjadaba degi lai ina khon mayam ama kanu seisa laigre aduna ngasi mafam aswai seisa school asi laibadagi di mafam aswai sing mi sing sida zu khudong saba angang sing sida inkhalangliba angang sing khudong saba mayam ama phangale haina haijage school asi laibadagi aduga ngasi prize distribution ceremony ama yauribse sinasu hena angang sing se hena compete tongna bagi chang wangkhalakna bagi machak amani haina ai thamjage.
Seeking an exhaustive rectification of the final National Register of Citizens (NRC), the All Assam Students Union has knocked the Supreme Court door. As per reports of filing a petition at the Apex Court, the students' body has urged the court to make the NRC error-free. The Northeast Frontier Railway has decided to run special trains from Agartala to Dharmanagar and Sabroom as a Durga Puja gift for hassle-free travel during the festive season. Northeast Frontier Railway said that the 5 special trains will run on Agartala, Dharmanagar and Agartala Sabroom, Agartala sectors on October 6 and 7. The railway officials are optimistic that the special trains will be able to clear the rush for the Durga Puja. On October 6 and 7, 2 special trains would leave Agartala for Dharmanagar at 5 am and 9:30 am. And from Dharmanagar, the 2 special trains would leave for Agartala at 5:45 pm and 10:15 pm. There would be 1 special train on both October 6 and 7 from Agartala to Sabroom. The train would leave Agartala station at 10 pm and reach Sabroom at 12:30 am, a report said. The Indian Space Research Organization ISRO has to find the fate of its Chandrayaan-2 lander Vikram on the moon and if it would be able to talk again, a US space expert said, according to a media report, noting that ISRO scientists have not given up on contacting the lander nearly a month after they lost contact with it in the early hours of September 7. Deverox said they need to scan the data they got from it till the link snapped. ISRO's STRAC satellite telemetry tracking and command network center lost contact with Vikram when it was descending and was just 2.1 km above the lunar surface. True, the Indian Space Agency has set up a national committee of experts to find what went wrong with Vikram to lose communication link with it in the last minute. It is yet to confirm its fate on the lunar surface near the South Pole in hostile conditions. Now we have another break, but do stay tuned for more updates.
Presenting India's widest range of eco-friendly scooters, Okinawa Scooter. India's longest range and top speed of 75 km per hour. Powered by lithium-ion battery. Government of India famed to certified. Get advantage of deduction of 7% cut in GST for electric vehicle. Can be driven in rain and hill. High-speed electric scooters. Pollution-free vehicle. Smiles for miles, 20 paisa per kilometer. Smooth driving on hills and valley. Loan available. Financed by HDFC Bank. For details, please contact Okinawa Scooters Showroom, Wangni Services at Malom Bajar, Imphal West, Manipur. Or contact us at 700-5830-142 or 87877-23780.
Diwali amasung Ningol Chakobana lakpaga iroinana Sangai Honda na festival asida Honda cars ki ahenba discount sing pizari. Hauzik lariba Honda cars ki discount sing adudi Honda Amage up to 42,000, Honda Jazz up to 50,000, Honda WRV up to 45,000, Honda City up to 62,000, Honda VRV up to 1,10,000, Honda Civic up to 2,50,000. Honda CRV up to rupees 5 lakh. Attractive oiraba discount sing asi lakliba October 19 gi mangoinana lobi hogadabani. Discount sing asi gidamak terms and conditions khara laizai loinana madik charaba servicing center su laizari. Akupa marol gidamak ngasimak lengsin birau Sangai Honda Ghari Airport Road Imphal Manipur.
Welcome back. Known for his views on the situation in Jammu and Kashmir, a key US senator from the Democratic Party wanted to visit Kashmir to see the situation firsthand, but the Indian government denied him permission to go there. Chris Van Hollen is the first US congressman to have been denied the permission by the Indian government after the special status to Jammu and Kashmir was revoked on August 5th. Born in Karachi and having gone to school in Kodaikanal while his father served as an American diplomat in Sri Lanka, Van Hollen has been clued into the Indian politics. Despite being refused permission to visit Kashmir, he came to India and met officials and key members of civil society in Delhi on Thursday and Friday. Australian and British blogger and her fiancé were released in Iran after 3 months of detention. According to media reports, the couple Jolie King and Mark Firkin were on their way home now after charges against them had been dropped. They were held in detention in Tehran for almost 3 months after being arrested for reportedly flying a drone without a permit. Now let's have a look at the sports news. The first ESC badminton tournament was kicked off today at the ESC Multipurpose Hall, Nongmaibung, Imphal. The tournament is organized by Eastern Students Club, Nongmaibung. Talking to media, president of the club and Indrajit said that the tournament aims to promote badminton players in the state. He added that the tournament will be held under veteran, under 40 and 50 years categories. Indrajit also asserted that the tournament will be held in a bigger way in future.
Kuna esigi naharon players singi masamu phaba kuna ema oinabagi damakta adugi maikai da ekoina sinjabani aduga suguma tournament ase mathang da su ekoi gi as a routine work wena club asina hena pak thok chok thongna grassroots level gi su ekoina makha tana angang mayam sembagi program se package chakni hana ekoi makha tana thamjari.
Off-spinner Ravichandran Ashwin claimed 7 wickets as India bowled out South Africa for 431 on day 4 of the first test today. Ashwin, who bagged his 27th 5-wicket haul on Friday, took the remaining 2 wickets to wrap up the innings in the morning session in Visakhapatnam. Ashwin got overnight batsman Keshav Maharaj out for 9 and then trapped Kagiso Rabada for 15 as the South Africans conceded a 71-run lead in response to India's 502. Former number 1 British tennis player Andrew Murray, who had won consecutive singles matches for the first time since undergoing hip surgery in January, lost to top-seeded Dominic Thiem of Austria in 6-2, 7-6, 3 yesterday in the quarterfinals of China Open. Thiem broke the 32-year-old Murray in the first game of the match. In today's semi-finals, Ashley Barty of Australia will face 8-seeded Kiki Bertens of Netherlands. Now we have the local newspaper headlines.
The Sangai Express. BJP High Command backs Biren as Chief Minister, says report. Chief Minister holds meet with top officials on return from Delhi. Supplier convicted of fudging 347 million tons of rice back in 1990. Locals try to storm court complex and Lamphel police station. Reams lab technician remanded till October 8. Anti-plastic drive. Imphal Free Press. Justice eludes Babysana. Police struggle to find evidence to indicate murder. Trials and tribulations, a loving mother recalls Babysana. The People's Chronicle. Setback for rival group. Focus now on reshuffle. JSC activist storm court during hearing. National Medical Commission NMC bats for CET in medical colleges. All Travel Students Union Manipur Atsum raises poses on MU guest faculty recruitment process. World is united to counter climate change. The Morning Bell. Reams rape case. Protesters demand capital punishment for accused, remanded to police custody. The Kangli Park Students Alliance KSA demands befitting punishment. Awareness on illegal cultivation of poppy held. Kangpokpi tops in cultivation of poppy in the state. Sisipu second. Babysana that case. Bail hearing of Landhoni held. Next hearing on Monday. The All Travel Students Union Manipur Atsum questions MU on unethical recruitment of guest faculty. Huge catch of arms and ammunition of ZUF recovered.
Now, before we end the bulletin, the top stories once again. NRC likely to be a key focus area of Modi meeting with Bangladesh PM. Tripura's West Jalefa likely to get special economic zone. And Imphal-Dimapur road blockade over Makhan arson attack postponed. This is all for now, but keep watching Times of Manipur.